Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Someone asked how to replace text with a blank cell in Google Sheets. Here's the situation. You've imported data, maybe from a sign-up form, CRM or another system, and you've got these weird / and n dot values showing up. They look small, but they're not harmless. They can break formulas, mess up lookups, and interfere with calculations. So let's remove them in one clean sweep. Step 1. Confirm the text exists. First, I like to double-check that Google Sheets can actually detect the text. Press Command+F, Mac, or Control+F, Windows. In the search box, type / and n. If Sheets highlights matches, perfect. That tells us it can find them. Sometimes imported data has strange hidden characters, so I always test this first. Step 2. Open Find and Replace. Next to the search box, click the 3 dots. This opens more options. Now we're in the full Find and Replace menu. You can also get here by going to Edit, Find and Replace. Step 3. Replace with a blank. In the Find field, enter / and n. Now here's the key. Leave the Replace with field completely blank. Not a space, not a character. Leave it truly empty. At the bottom, you can choose All Sheets or This Sheet. If you only want to clean one tab, choose This Sheet. Then click Replace All, and that's it. Every / n is now gone. No hidden spaces, no leftover characters, just clean data. Click Done. Step 4. Undo if needed. If something doesn't look right, just press Command+Z, Mac, or Control+Z, Windows, and it will undo instantly. Bonus, replace with something else. You don't have to replace with blank. You could replace /n with a space, a comma, a dash, or any text you choose. Just type it into the Replace field before clicking Replace All. This method is the fastest way to clean it up. No formulas needed. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than ever before, subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube, and if you haven't watched other videos here yet, you're in for a treat. I'll see you in the next one.